Hi, so if you're watching Welcome to the World of TNT and you saw the video Inside a Shredder, you'll recognise this thing. It's the motor and gear set from Inside a Shredder. What we're going to do is turn this into a hand generator, because if you also watch the video, which is also on Welcome to the World of TNT, we took apart a hand generator to have a look at the components. And because a hand generator, all it's got in it is a motor, a gearbox, and then a bit of electronics to make sure that the output is stable at what you want. There's nothing else to it. So we have here an induction motor. It's not the best kind for a hand generator, because to turn induction motors into generators, you need a bit of fooling around with them. The DC motor, piece of cake. So we're going to take this motor off, find a nice DC motor, connect it up to our gear set, and we're going to have ourselves a pretty sturdy hand generator. Certainly, yeah, let's say better. Yeah, why not? Let's say better. Certainly better than the one we took apart, which would have cost you about £40. This one, of course, we just found it in the bin and pulled it to pieces. And now we're going to turn it into a generator for probably the cost of the control electronics. But anyway, let's take the motor off. So there's always 4 screws holding these things together. Undo the 4 screws. There was an E-clip holding on the fan, and we can pull that apart. There is a fixing plate, there's the stator, and here is the rotor, which is actually the bit that we want. That is a thermal cut-off switch, incidentally, in case it gets too hot. So it's got a thermal cut-off switch in there. But that's the bit we actually want. Now we want the drive spindle. We want the drive spindle because this gear is the one that meshes in there. So without that gear, it's actually quite hard to connect anything. We've got a gear now, and now we have a drive spindle, looks about 8mm. So we need to get that out of there and get that off there, so we have the separate spindle, and all you really do is drift it off, and which I quite like as a phrase. What that basically means is hit it with a hammer. So let's get a hammer and put it in the vise. Okay, so we've drifted it off, stuck it back in its housing, and now we have an 8mm drive shaft, which is great. So we can put that back together, and then we can drive with that, turning a handle here. Piece of cake. So let's screw it back together. Okay, we've fastened it back together. Now to give that handle, we get some speed on that output shaft, of course, because it's a gear system. This is fairly chunky. It's got quite a lot of torque at this side because I'm turning this slowly but turning that quickly, and I'm going to be putting a motor on there that I'm going to need to turn. So clearly I ain't going to do it that way. What I need is a handle. I've got a bit of bar steel, got myself a little tube and a bolt, and we're going to saw this off. Saw this, weld it all together and get ourselves a nice handle. There's the handle welded onto the drive bar. Now we're ready to put it back together and give it a spin. That's it all back together with its handle, and I put a couple on, so if I give that a spin, that whizzes at a rate of knots. So all I've got to do now is find a motor to put in there. Okay, so we're ready to go. Here's my 12 volt 120 watt motor strapped to my gearbox. Massive bit of chunky welding. We're doing pip on pip, and here I've got a 12 volt car headlamp, and so we'll give that a crank and see what we can get out of it. We're on volts. 19 volts! Okay, let's do the amps. Oh, put it on the amp reading. Amps, 19 volts, so about 40 watts. That 60 watts is what an athlete can do, apparently. We get 40 watts out of our little arrangement here. That's awesome. That motor I got from eBay cost me a £5. So this whole thing, to create a 40 watt generator, £5 and a bit of dumpster diving. An awful lot better than £40 that we had from the Chinese thing. A little bit of effort and a few pennies on welding sticks for sure, but There you go, a pretty cool hand crank generator. It'll crank out some real power. You're not going to be able to charge your phone on this. You're going to be able to light your house. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.